So we've got the Radiomobile 202, which a customer sent in, which has certainly been around the houses but works really well. So we've provided a replacement mic for it, and let's see whether Mr. Chippy is out there. I think we ought to put it on the right channel and make sure the squelch is there and we've actually got some volume. Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, loud and clear.
Roger that, we'll come up to the end of the line.
Got you at the end of the lane. So it came in doing 2.8 watts, it's now doing 4. Deviation was virtually spot on. Slightly low on frequency. Sensitivity was excellent, but it's now better. So yeah, just a general tune-up, but certainly needed the power looking at there with being 25% down, more than 25% down. Where's my screwdriver?
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21, Chippy, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going through Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a Radiomobile CB202 and he's doing a full 4 watts.
Level crossing.
Roger, got you at Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rorsby Level Crossing, also known as Greyleys Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. So, we'll do this to our base station. That works absolutely brilliantly, just like you'd expect it to do. Let's see whether it sounds brilliant on my standard replacement microphone.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Radiomobile CB202, which is a Cybernet 134 base set from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is a standard replacement mic. Thanks for watching.